Hey people, and for today, we're gonna show you how to download XDefiant for PC. So first off, you can just type XDefiant on Google and just click on the first result. It's the Ubisoft link, and once you're here on XDefiant's homepage, just go up top and you can already see download Ubisoft Connect. But alternatively, you can just go straight to Play Free Now, and here you go, Ubisoft Connect PC. Just click on that. Once you're done downloading Ubisoft Connect, just go to your downloads folder, install the Ubisoft installer, except just select where to install it. Once that's done, just click next, run Ubisoft Connect. And now you just have the choice of creating a new account or signing in. I'm going to sign in with my own account, and it'll ask you if you want to set up your two-step verification. For now, I'll just skip. Once you're here, just go to Library, go to Free Games, and then you'll see XDefiant. Just click on that, and here you can see Play, where you would normally see Download. And then just click that, wait for the install, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.